In this video, I'm going to break down everything about plumbing so you can handle your home's pipes like a pro and avoid major headaches. Alright, first things first, knowing the basics is clutch. Always start by turning off your main water valve before messing with anything, or you'll have a mini indoor pool situation on your hands. If you're dealing with a clogged drain, try a plunger or a simple drain snake before calling it quits and shelling out for a plumber. For leaks, grab some plumber's tape and wrap it around the threads of pipes to seal minor drips tight. When you're replacing fixtures like faucets or shower heads, make sure you match the pipe sizes and types. Using the wrong stuff can cause leaks or damage down the line. Keep a wrench and adjustable pliers handy. They're your best friends for tightening or loosening fittings without stripping them. If your water pressure feels weak, check your aerators and clean out any gunk that's clogging them up. For hot water issues, check your heater's thermostat settings before calling someone in. Sometimes it's just a quick tweak. And always double check your work or any leaks before you pack up your tools, because catching problems early saves big on water bills and stress. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people ignoring small leaks, thinking they'll fix themselves, but that just wastes water and can cause bigger damage. So fixing leaks right away is key. Another common issue is using chemical drain cleaners because they can wreck your pipes over time. Mechanical methods like snakes are way safer. Lastly, people often forget to insulate their pipes in cold weather, which leads to freezing and bursting pipes. Just wrap them up with foam sleeves to avoid that nightmare. If you're not up for DIY or just want to make sure the job's done right, bighomeprojects.com is where you want to go. They hook up homeowners with trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff and make it easy for contractors to find new gigs without all the hassle. It's kind of like having a plumbing matchmaker on your side, making sure everyone wins.